YouTube, what's going on? It's the Trader Imperial back again with another video. This time I'm actually going to do a trade recap from my trades I took on Friday, which was NFP. I took them actually live. I was live streaming on TikTok. I might actually come in live stream on YouTube as well, but I actually took two fire trades. One was a sniper entry. I'll actually break that down. And the other was, hey, you'll see it. It was some fire. Now I'm actually hopping on my laptop, show you guys what I did, what was my confluences on Friday to catch the trades I did. All right, so we're here, my laptop. I'm gonna actually break down these two trades that I took. So this was the first trade I actually called live on stream. It was a gold trade. This was actually right after NFP. I do get asked a lot how I trade news. Honestly, if you're trading news right before news drops, you are gambling. I'm just going to be honest with you. I like to wait until after the data is dropped to see how the market reacts, to see what levels are created, what range is created. Then I like to wait for my signal, which is a TDI crossover, which is the shark fin, and then I have the Heikin-Ashi switch, right? So essentially, that's essentially what I do. News dropped. This was the NFP candle. Boom. You can see exactly what happens. And I'm sure a whole bunch of buyers were in the market at this time and they got liquidated. And people who called short, hey, let's see you do it every single NFP, right? Again, I'm trading NFP, but I'm just waiting until the market opens or just waiting until the news drops. Then I'm waiting for my setup and taking my trade, right? So this is the first trade on gold. I was on live stream. I entered this trade here, and you can see this was a pretty freaking clean trade. It was about 228 pip trade that I caught on live. Now, if you want to get in on the action, if you want to take these same trades with me, you can head over to my TikTok. You can follow me there and then watch me live there. I go live 9 a.m. Monday to Friday. I'll try to do 4 or 5 times a week. Right now, also, if you want to get some free trade signals, we are actually calling some fire trade signals up in our Discord and our Telegram. I got 2 communities that we got going that fire trades are actually being called in. And last week that just passed, we caught about 700 pips in the Discord alone, not including what's I'm calling on live stream. And these are actually different trades, right? So make sure that you're not missing out. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect place to be, because we got free resources up in there as well too. I got free books. I got the trading journal. Hey, this is something that you do want to be a part of. All right. So yes, back to this trade. So you can see, clean trade. It hit TP, wasn't in here for long, and everyone who was able to capitalize on this trade, great. You got to see my psychology, my risk management, right? Because on this swing, I took partials, and then I rode the rest of the trade to TP, right? So yeah, I'm gonna break down the second trade. That was, you'll see, there was a little bit of issues I had, but still made it work. Second trade, we're here on US30. This is actually futures contract, Dow Jones E-mini. Excuse me, sorry, it's the protein I'm drinking. But yeah, so this trade here, I was waiting for market open, NY open, and I knew that the market was very volatile. I did not want to chase this leg up, and I want the market to come to me. So what I did was I looked at previous resistances and I marked it out, and I knew that around this level, we're going to most likely get a liquidity grab and get a reversal. Because also, look how far the TDI has came out, right? Now, again, I also set a limit for this trade just so I can get a very conservative sniper entry. And look, I just missed it by a tick. On this account, I'm trading on Trade of 8, which is the top step. This count did not get tagged in my short limit. But on another account, which I'm trading on Rhythmic, I did manually enter the trade, and I was able to capitalize on this trade. And this trade was like a 200 and something pip trade as well, right? I added third limit on the day, And this was definitely far off. You could see I should have just went from low of the day, um, from the UK lows, right? London session lows, sorry. There's support there, and I could have put my limit there, and I would have definitely hit TP, as you could see. But I was thinking that off this reversal from this previous resistance, which is pretty much, I think, previous all-time high, we're going to get a lot of sellers stepping in, right? So I thought we would definitely get a more volatile swing low, and the bounce where I thought it was going to bounce did not happen. But hey, that's how it goes, and I'd rather miss a trade than lose on a trade. Could you imagine if I set my limit here and I give myself like 60 pips on US30, it would have hit my stop loss, right? So I'm more focused on taking way conservative entries when it comes to taking my trades now, especially because I'm calling them for trade signals, right? And I'm also utilizing limits because why not? It's a tool that is there for us. Why not utilize it? It helps with the FOMO. You're not jumping into trades too early, right? Now, another thing is I'm calling these trades on my live stream. Like, you guys understand that I got people watching me. I got people who could just pretty much potentially judge every single movement, every single confluence that I'm looking for. And then also they could just reverse trade me. If you want to reverse trade me, go ahead. I don't care. But again, like, this is just me pretty much trading my best because I got eyes on me, right? Essentially, that's how it is. When you're in practice, when you're like, if I give the analogy of sports, when you're, say, playing basketball and you're on a basketball team, all that time you're in practice, you're not going your hardest, right? Like, you're just realistically, you're just getting your shots up, blah, 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 right? It's another day for you. But when it comes to, like, say, playoffs, when it comes to the finals, when everyone's watching, when, like, you're really going to play to the best of your ability, right? You can leave everything there. And I think that's exactly how I am trading when I'm trading live. So, hey, this is what you're seeing. This is most likely what you're going to see is me trading my best, getting the best entries, and calling the best trades so that you guys can also see how I trade and learn how I trade as well. Because there's a lot of traders who trade with some crazy risk management or no risk management, no stop loss or negative RR, right? And if you know, they get wrecked. So essentially, I'm just trying to show you guys how it's done. Don't worry about the money, the monetary value. Worry about catching the right setups, waiting for the right setups, because in the end, that's what's going to matter. That's what's going to keep you in this game a lot longer. All right, guys, that's enough for me. Make sure you guys click the link in the description. Check out what I got. I got free signals for you guys. I got a free Discord community that is growing day by day. That's also capitalizing on free trades in there, right? You can get some crazy discounts off some crazy discounts off some prop firms, and check out the best broker I got in there. They're giving you guys actually a 50% deposit bonus. You don't want to miss out on that. But yeah, it's your boy, the Trader Imperial, checking off for now. I'll be back this week. I'm going to be on YouTube more. I'll probably be live streaming on here as well too. So yeah, happy trading.